In this video, I share how rice bran, which has been used by Japanese women for centuries, can make you look and feel young, toned, and gorgeous. It is an easy home treatment that you can prepare on your own, and you may already see the effects after using it for the first time. You can do this 2 to 3 days a week, until you get the desired results. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe in order to get more pro beauty secrets. Every day we have newest beauty trends in today's society, which are being praised by social media influencers and cosmetics businesses all around the world. However, there are some beauty practices that have stood the test of time and continue to deliver the same radiant effects today, without costing you a fortune. The great advantages of Kamanuka, or rice bran, have been known and appreciated by the Japanese for centuries. Rice bran has been used in scrubs, facials, and even body treatments to combat the symptoms of aging, treat acne, and leave the skin toned, tight, and soft because it has more than 100 enzymes, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other necessary nutrients. Rice bran is full of fatty acids rich in the vitamin B and vitamin E complex, abundant in tocopherols and tocotrienols. The nutrient-rich rice bran also has chemopreventive, iron chelating, and anti-inflammatory abilities. Although there are many Kamanuka products available at pharmacies, it's also fairly simple to produce at home. Boil 3 large tablespoons of rice bran powder for a few minutes. Strain the rice, but keep the water because it will be part of the facial treatment. Add 1 tablespoon of milk to the rice and mix thoroughly. Also add 1 tablespoon of honey. The mixture should be sticky enough to stay on your face. Apply the rice mask on clean, dry skin and allow it to dry. Use the rice water that you kept aside to remove it. This aids in moisturizing the skin and increases its blood flow. The rice water can also help brighten any dark spots or sun damage. Japanese women used to exfoliate their skin using Kamanuka as their common-sense beauty treatment. This pure rice bran helps remove all traces of dirt and gently exfoliates dead skin cells while hydrating and promotes cellular turnover. It leaves skin soft and smooth. It works on all skin types, especially dry, sensitive, and mature skin.